Assalamualaikum. Date 10th of October 2020. Class 8 subject math. Topic exercise 13 11.1. 11.1 evaluate. Question number 1 3 raised power 2 evaluate कर. Solution. ये कितना करो इसे evaluate. इस करो 3 raised power 2 शब बराबर आसा 1 divided by 3 square. This implies 1 divided by 3 should be dilate multiple. So go 1 divided by 9. 1 divided by 9 और यहाँ है कोई 1 divided by 3 raised to power whole square. But the import minus 4 minus 4 raised to power minus 2. So go 1 divided by minus 4 square. So 1 divided by minus 4 into minus 4. So 1 divided by plus 16 or 1 divided by 4 square. Then what is 3 part is part? The 3 part 1 divided by 2 raised to minus 5. So 1 divided by 2 raised to power 5. Raised to power 5. 1 divided by 2 then 5 that 0 3 4 5. So go 1 divided by 1 divided by 32. So go barabar 1 into 1 divided by 32 karna ulta pulut yani 1 divided by 1 yani multiples. So go 32 ka sure divided by 1. So go this implies 32. This implies 32 ऐसा कोई नहीं लिखते. So go 2 raised to power 5. So go answer. ब्याख पढ़ा गया इस पाने के लिए 3 raised to power minus 3 is solution. इस करो कौन 1 divided by 3 raised to power 3 लिखो इस. So go this implies 3 into 3 into 3. So go 1 divided by 27 और यहाँ को लिखिए 1 divided by 3 का whole cube यानी 3 3 27 ये मैं तो ऐसे समझ आऊँ इंशाल्लाह